Unplugged from the power, and now we're going to be using the handheld tool. So what we need to do is we need to come to the back of the machine here, give this a wiggle left and right, and we're disconnected that there. We need to get the handheld tool, so this is the hose from the handheld tool, and we need to put this on here. It can help if you kind of turn it left and right like so. Now this particular bit is very awkward. We need to pull this back that way in towards the machine, and then the tube will pull out like that. So you're supposed to push it back until you can see the ball bearings just here, and then with this particular one you push this in and you kind of got to give it a little wiggle until it goes back, and now that is fully in place there because it's nice and locked in. So with this switch now, we now need to turn it to tool like that, and now once we plug it in, all we have to do is press this nozzle here, and this will allow all the detergent to come out. Let me show you it working.